Hey world, what's up? Jessica Kirsh here. I've reached, I think, the point of no return with this tire. Thankfully, I have a full size spare, but I've been blowing it up. It's got something in it, and when I'm in a hurry, I just blow it up. But today, earlier, just a second ago, I plugged it in and this thing didn't work, so watch, it's gonna work. All I needed was the camera. Right now it's at 19 PSI. It's supposed to be at 33. So I think that's the universe saying, Jessica, time to just swap it out. Oh, I'll leave it plugged in just in case it just decides to start working. Time to swap it out. I'm gonna keep going where I was going and then swap it out there. It's way hot here. Right. 22 PSI or 19 PSI? Come on, let's get us there. Please. Have to unlock the gate here at Rocket Ranch.